Yo guys, I'm Jiqui and you're watching my masterclass with Soundteams. I've released on Never Say Die, RIP, Never Say Die Black Label, Disciple Roundtable, Cyclops, and a bunch of other labels in the scene. I've been making music since about 2012. We're going to be breaking down my track Glass Puppet off my last EP, and we're going to be doing basically a sound design session, or what a sound design session looks like for me in Reason Rack, which is something I've been using very heavily for probably the last 2 or 3 years. Crazy tones off that one. That one's really sick. Really cool sounds out of it, aside from just your typical like square 4 sounds. In the sound design session, I'm just gonna deep dive into what a sound design session looks like for me, and just how I resample, how I quickly make sample packs for myself, and just the importance of workflow and just overall work efficiency. Really stoked for you guys to dive into this one with me, and yeah, let's get it.